When doing a sequence of tumbling, a tumbler usually will get a running start to build up the momentum that will carry the tumbler through the sequence. And the continued application of Newton's laws with equal and opposite force against the ground will keep propelling the tumbler through the sequence.
When you apply contact with a short period of time, there's a smaller change in momentum. When you follow through, the time increases as well as the change in momentum.
This is demonstrating how angular velocity is different between a layout and a tuck. When the tuck is demonstrated, the moment of inertia decreases by bringing the arms in. The angular velocity increases so she spins faster in order to keep the angular momentum constant.
Before she starts to move, she is seated. By Kristen spinning her, she is applying torque, which increases her momentum as she spins.
The two pool balls are an example of a closed system. Before the first pool ball is pushed to collide with the other, the momentum is zero. The momentum also reverts to zero once the second ball is hit and stops moving.
In a closed system, matter can't leave, but energy can. In an isolated system, neither matter nor energy can exit.
The law of conservation of momentum states that the momentum of any closed, isolated system does not change.
The internal forces exerted by Brie and Taylor cannot change the total momentum of the system.
The initial contact of the pool ball is at an angle. Once the balls bounce away from each other in opposite directions, they stay relative to the initial line of contact.
Once she starts to spin, she has some angular momentum. Once she incorporates her arms, her angular velocity increases, but the momentum of inertia decreases, thus conserving the angular momentum.
When the initial ball collides with the multiple pool balls, the momentum created bounces the initial collider off, and the pool ball at the end of the row bounces off as well.
When the paintball was shot out of the gun and collided with the bottle, its momentum caused it to stick and keep moving off the chair. When the truck collided with the car, its momentum caused it to stick to the other car and keep moving.